Now, you might be able to tell this from the answer choices, but for the most part here, we are setting up a line, okay? And a lot of the language in this story sounds very linear, okay? The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of a $25 service fee and a $10 per hour rental fee. So fees, generally speaking, if we have some sort of base fee, some sort of fee that can't be avoided, that's just kind of there no matter what we do, that's going to be kind of like a y-intercept. So that's kind of what I'm seeing here with this $20.5 service fee. It's just a flat fee, right? So flat fee is another way that we might see it. And then when we have a rate, and the word per is a good sign that we have a rate, that is telling us we have more of a slope. So yes, they both use the word fee, but $10 per hour rental fee, that's per hour. That's based on something. And so since the number of hours is going to be t, I'm basically going to want to set up a y equals mx plus b equation where I have the m, or the 10, let's do that, 10, and then t, and then 25. Now there is this other piece, right? A maximum of $75 to rent the surfboard, but if we're just looking at the 10t plus 25, we kind of either have B or D already. The only difference here, right, is where is the T? It's very easy to miss it, but here B is putting it on the wrong thing. So it's probably D. There are other things that they could be doing to mess with us here, so we should double check that this maximum of $75 makes sense. That means that this piece has to be less than or equal to 75. So it's kind of like they're taking the Y and moving it over to the other side. That's okay. So less than or equal to 75, we can't be greater than that. And yeah, that's exactly what it does. So be flexible, right? It's a line, it's a y equals mx plus b equation, but they put the y on the other side and they made it an inequality just to make it a little bit harder. But it's still pretty easy. And you do need to be comfortable with the language of slopes and intercepts. It's gonna come up not just for line questions, but all sorts of things. So just be careful. It is a very common type of SAT question that you need to be able to decipher very, very quickly.